Hello viewers, welcome to Math Tech. I am Amish Sharma. In this video, we are going to solve questions from 16 to 20 of Chapter 2 from the book Contemporary Abstract Algebra by Joseph Gallian. So without a delay, let's start. Question number 16. Show that this set containing the element 5, 15, 25, 35 is a group under multiplication modulo 40. What is the identity element of this group? Can you see any relationship between this group and U8? In order to solve the question, we have to remember the following results. Result number 1. The set UN n is greater than or equal to 1 is equal to x belongs to n such that 1 is less than or equal to x less than n and GCD of x comma n is equal to 1 form a group under multiplication modulo n known as group under multiplication modulo n. Result number 2. Multiplication modulo n is represented by a multiplication mod n b, where a and b belongs to z and n is fixed integer, and is defined as a multiplication mod n b equal to r for 0 less than or equal to r less than n. Here r is the least non-negative integer when a multiplied by b is divided by n. Result number 3. A non-empty set G equipped with binary operation star is said to be group if it satisfying the following axioms. Number 1. Closure. For all a comma b belongs to G implies a star b belongs to G. We can say G is closed under star. 2. Associativity. For all a b c belongs to G, we have a star b star c is equal to a star b star c. That is G is associative under star. 3. Existence of identity. There exists an element E belongs to G such that A star E equal to E star A equal to A for all A belongs to G. Here E is called the identity element of G. 4. Existence of inverse. For every A belongs to G, there exists an element B belongs to G such that A star B equal to B star A equal to identity. Here B is A inverse called inverse of A in G. Result number 4. The set K4 containing the element E, A, B, A, B such that A square equal to identity, B square equal to identity, A, B equal to B, A form a group under multiplication known as Klein 4 group. Let G containing the element 5, 15, 25 and 35 and multiplication modulo 40 be the binary operation defined on G. Now make the Cayley table under multiplication modulo 40. This is the Cayley table for the group G. All the resultant element belongs to the set G. This implies G is closed under multiplication mod 40. We can also verify the associativity of the set G. Here 25 is the identity element. Why it is so? Because when all the element operate with 25 under multiplication mod 40 give the same element. Here each element is self-invertible. Why it is so? Because 5 under multiplication mod 45 gives 25. 15 under multiplication mod 40, 15 gives 25. 25 under multiplication mod 40, 25 gives 25. 35 under multiplication mod 40, 35 gives 25. Now, Cayley table shows that all the 4 axioms of group are satisfied. Hence, G is a group under binary operation multiplication modulo 40. Now, the identity element of G is 25. Now, U of 8 is equal to x belongs to natural number such that 1 is less than or equal to x less than 8 and GCD of x comma 8 is equal to 1. This implies U of 8 containing the element 1, 3, 5 and 7, which is further written as 1, 3, 5 and 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15. Under multiplication mod 8 it becomes 7. Here 3 square is 1, 5 square is 1 and 3 into 5 is equal to 5 into 3. This is same representation as K4. Also, G having the element 5, 15, 25 and 35, which is further written as 25, 5, 15 and 5 into 15. 5 into 15 is 75. Under multiplication mod 40, it becomes 35. Here 5 square is 25, 15 square is 25. 5 into 15 is equal to 15 into 5. This is same representation as K4. Since U8 and G are the same representation as K4. This implies G and U8 have the same representation as a group. Question number 17. Let P and Q be distinct primes. Suppose that H is proper subset of integers, that is a group under addition, that contain exactly three elements of the set containing the element P, P plus Q, PQ, P to the power Q and Q to the power P. Determine which of the following are three elements in H. Part A, PQ, P to the power Q, Q to the power B. Part B, P plus Q, PQ, P to the power Q. Part C, P, P plus Q, PQ. Part D, P, P to the power Q, Q to the power P. Part E, P, PQ, P to the power Q. Now, in order to solve the question, we have to remember the following results. Result number 1. Set A is said to be proper subset of set B, that is A contained in B, if all the elements of set A are the member of set B, but there is at least one element of set B that is not a member of set of A. Result number 2. If A and B are relative prime, then there exists integer S and T such that AS plus BT is equal to 1. Now, given H is a proper subset of integers and form a group under addition, since GCD of P to the power Q and Q to the power P is equal to 1, this implies there exists integer S and T such that P to the power Q S plus Q to the power T, that is belongs to H, is equal to 1. This implies 1 belongs to H. As H is a group, then by closure axiom, the element in part A and part D belongs to H. Also, GCD of P plus Q and P to the power Q is also 1. This implies there exists integer S and T such that P plus Q into S plus P to the power Q into T, which belongs to H, is equal to 1. This implies 1 belongs to H. As H is a group, then by closure axiom, the element in part B and part C belongs to H. As 1 is not belongs to H in part E, this implies the element in part E does not belongs to H. Question number 18. List the member of the set H containing X square such that X belongs to D4 and K containing the element X belongs to D4 such that X square equal to identity. It is essential to learn the following results in order to solve the question. Result number 1. The set Dn containing the element x to the power I, y to the power j such that x square equal to identity, y to the power n equal to identity, xy equal to y inverse x, I varies from 0 to 1 and j varies from 0, 1 to up to n minus 1 is a group with respect to composition known as dihedral group. Result number 2. Let G be a group under multiplication and A belongs to G, then order of element A belongs to G is the least positive integer n such that A to the power n equal to identity. It is denoted by order of A. If no such n exists for element A, then order of A is infinity. For additive group, the formula for order of element become NA equal to identity instead of A to the power n equal to identity. Result number 3. The group Dn consists n rotation elements and n reflection elements. Result number 4. In group Dn, the order of each reflection element is 2. Now, D4 containing the element x to the power I, y to the power j such that x square equal to identity, y to the power 4 equal to identity, xy equal to y inverse x. Here I is equal to 0, 1 and j is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. This implies D4 contain the element y, y square, y cube, y to the power 4 equal to identity. These are 4 rotation element, and x, xy, xy square and xy cube. These are 4 reflection element. Now H containing the element x square such that x belongs to D4. This implies we have to square each element of D4. Now the square of y is y square. Square of y square is y to the power 4, which is identity. The square of y cube is y6, which is y square. Square of y to the power 4 is y to the power 8, which is identity. And we know that each reflection element has order 2. This implies the square of these element is identity. Now we know that set contain only distinct element. This implies H contain the element E and y square. And K containing the element x belongs to D4 such that x square equal to identity. This implies K containing the element y square, y to the power 4, x, xy square and xy cube. Question number 9. Prove that the set of all 2 cross 2 matrices with entries from R and determinant is +1 is a group under matrix multiplication. Given G containing the element A, which is Aij 2 cross 2 matrix, such that determinant of A is 1 and Aij belongs to R. Let A, B belongs to G. This implies determinant of A is 1 and determinant of B is 1. Now, determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B, which is equal to 1. Since A and B are arbitrary elements, this implies AB belongs to G for all A, B belongs to G. Now, for all A, B, C belongs to G, we have A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Why it is so? Because associative is the basic property of matrix multiplication. Now, 2 cross 2 identity matrix belongs to G. Why it is so? Because the determinant of identity matrix is 1, such that A into I is equal to I into A equal to A for all A belongs to G. Here, I is the identity element of G. Let A belongs to G, then determinant of A is 1, which is not equal to 0. This implies A inverse exists. Now, determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A, which is equal to 1. Then A inverse belongs to G such that A into A inverse is equal to identity, which is equal to A inverse A. Since all the 4 axioms of group are satisfied, therefore G is a group under matrix multiplication. It is known as special linear group over the field R. Question number 20. For any integer n greater than 2, show that there are at least 2 elements in Un that satisfy x square equal to 1. Since GCD of 1, n is equal to 1 and GCD of n minus 1, n is equal to n for n greater than 2, this implies 1 and n minus 1 belongs to Un. Now, 1 square is equal to 1 under multiplication mod n, and n minus 1 square is equal to n square plus 1 minus 2n, which is equal to 1 under multiplication mod n. Why it is so? Because when we divide n square and 2n by n, we get remainder 0. This implies Un, when n is greater than 2, has at least 2 elements that satisfy x square equal to 1. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, comment me. Thank you very much.